Hey everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hey for the first time, why don't you subscribe, become the newest member of the Slashed Squad. Here I review products you won't feel guilty buying and do looks you can actually recreate at home. I feel like I don't really talk about nails enough on this channel, but I've been really trying to get my nails to be stronger and healthier. Especially during winter, they become so brittle and delicate where I'm breaking my nails or they're peeling every other day. So Sally Hansen just released the Mega Strength line. These are nail colors that are supposed to make your nails look and feel stronger, made with platinum powder. And I've been testing these out for the past couple weeks, so I thought we'd do a laid back nail swatch video and I'd share my thoughts on the new Sally Hansen Mega Strength line. So this line is actually pretty huge. There are 30 colors plus a hardener base coat and a clear top coat. Each bottle is $5.99. You can find them at Ulta Beauty, drugstores, Target, etc. Links will be below so you can see all the shades online. Now I have 6 of the 30 shades that I have been kind of swapping out on my nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the swatches of the shades that I have, and then we'll come back and I'll share my thoughts on the actual formula. So first we have Shiro, which is actually the color I have on my nails now. And this is a beautiful, deep, dusty mauve shade. This is a very creamy color and you can definitely get away with just applying one coat of this for full coverage. One of my absolute favorite shades of the collection is Persistent. Now this is very sheer. You're gonna have to build this up with at least 3 coats, but it's this lavender purple with a strong blue shift to it. So just depending on the lighting, you'll get more of a blue effect or a purple effect. Next we have Rise Up, and this is a metallic shade. It's kind of on the mauve side, but there is a golden champagne-y kind of shimmer to it. This is a little bit more translucent. Definitely need 2 coats of polish for this to be completely opaque. Here is Slay All Day, which is a very hot pink, but it's got this really unique blue shimmer to it, so when it catches the light, it has a very cool reflection. Again, this is definitely a 2-coater, maybe even 3, depending on how white your tips are. For some reason, the tips of my nails just show through so drastically underneath nail polish. And we have Class Act, which is this beautiful hot red. This is probably the most translucent out of all the shades. Like this is a 3 to 4 coater if you really, really want it to be completely opaque. But the shade is very beautiful, very vibrant. Last we have Wild Card, which is this beautiful gold glitter, and it is slightly holographic. There are some rainbow sprinkles in there that you can see if you look closely. You only need 2 coats of this for full coverage. However, obviously taking off a glitter polish is never easy. This does get a little messy when you take it off, but I just absolutely love the effect. This is definitely like my second favorite in the whole line. So like I said, I've been wearing these polishes for the last couple weeks paired with the hardener and the top coat, and I have to say, my nails are feeling great. Before I started wearing these, I could literally bend my nails by just pressing on the tips, but they have definitely thickened up and have just felt a lot stronger lately. And this is all I've been wearing on my nails. I haven't changed anything else in my routine. I haven't been taking any supplements. So to see that change in so short of a time was definitely a pleasant surprise. However, I will say that this is not a long wear polish. Usually when I apply this, I start chipping by like the 2nd or 3rd day, and I am hard on my nails. Like I'm typing on the computer, I wash the dishes without gloves on, and I do workouts that involve a lot of hand motions and movements, lifting weights, floor exercises, etc. So I'll be the first to admit that I am hard on my nails, but I mean, there are polishes that hang in there a little bit longer than 2 to 3 days, you know what I mean? So it's a little bit of a mixed bag because these really do make my nails look and feel stronger, and in general, I'm just loving the shape my nails are in right now, but it's such a hassle to either have to keep touching the color up or just redoing my polish shade every few days. But the bottom line is the formula definitely works. It's definitely making my nails feel awesome. And the shades are really pretty. My 3 favorites are Shiro, which is what I have on my nails now. It's definitely like that neutral type of mauve that will kind of match for any occasion. Persistent is just so unique and definitely gives me those unicorn mermaid vibes that are so popular right now, but I just love how this looks in the sunlight. And then of course, Wild Card is probably the easiest glitter polish that I've ever owned, or easiest to apply, that is. It makes for a great topper, but you can also use this to completely saturate the nail in glitter. So these 3 are definitely the ones that I will continue using because I like the shade and I like how they make my nails feel. The other ones probably not so much because I feel like I have similar colors that will last longer than this formula. And I would say that the hardener is definitely a must-have in conjunction with the color, so you really maximize the effect of the strengthening. Let me know what your favorite shade I showed you in this video was down below, and please leave any product suggestions on nail strengthening because I can use all the help I can get. I mean, using these polishes, I'm experiencing very, very little peeling when before it was like all 10 nails were just falling apart. Now I'm only getting a little bit of peeling on my index finger, and I'm kind of like picking at it too, so that's not helping. But everything else is just so much stronger than it was. But I can always use more suggestions, whether it's supplements or other products I can apply straight to my nails. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more nail videos, definitely let me know. Hit the thumbs up button so I know that's something that you would want to see. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, become the newest member of the Slashed Squad. If you've done that, high five, but have you hit the bell icon so you know every time a new video goes live? Engage with this video in any way to make sure that my face stays in your subscription page, except thumbsing down. I think thumbsing down is probably a bad idea if you want to keep seeing my videos on your feed. All right, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!